Good day, traders. Happy New Year and welcome to EXCO Trader. This is David, your top analyst, and I'm going to be bringing us the information for this week. This week we're going to be having CPI, a volatility high impact news, and you know what? We're going to be looking at currencies like gold, GBP, JPY, Euro, USD, and AUD CAD. All right, so let's jump right into the chart. Now, first on my watch list would be the fundamental analysis from the Forex Factory. We're going to be seeing the news tomorrow by 2:30 p.m. on CPI. So if you don't have a funded account, this can be an opportunity to cash in on this particular setup. Now, why is CPI very important? It is an important indicator for traders taking advantage of the overall inflation rate in the United States dollars. All right, so first on my watch list would be gold. Now, looking at the market structure on gold, now from the higher time frame, on which is on the weekly time frame, I'm seeing something very interesting. Over the period of 6 months, we saw a bullish move from 3450 to 4218 price level area of about 7,000 or 8,000 pips. Now, going into the year 2026, I'm projecting same for gold. Now, you can see that price is already moving towards that direction. Over the last year, the last week in the year 2025, we saw this push, this bearish move on gold. Now, last week candle, which was the beginning of the trading week, and into this week, market has done a total of 300 pips max. All right, so now what we'll be projecting would be about 7,000 pips. Now, this is also a great opportunity to fund a minimum of 100 to 1,000 or even more, and just place a trade on this, which this setup is going to be sent on our EXCO premium signal group. So if you're not part of that signal group, you're missing out in real time. Okay, so moving on to the next one would be GBP JPY. Now, for GBP JPY, this particular currency has been sent on our EXCO premium group. So you see, we have a total number of 400 subscriber plus. All right, so we are also projecting a bullish move on this of about 150 pips for first take profits and 300 pips in the long run. How were we able to get this setup? Looking at the horizontal move of support and resistance since December to this moment, we saw a final break out of structure on price level 211.661. all right, so and this is on the 4-hour time frame, so you can see that price is already moving towards the set direction. All right, so the next one would be let's look at GBP USD. Now, for GBP USD from the weekly time frame, we saw that price got to 1.3738 and price retraced back to the zone which was acting previously as a very strong resistance zone. Market retested that point, and we're seeing price pushing right back into 1.3738. now, how do we cash in on this particular setup? I'm going to be using the Fibonacci 2 retracement. Now, market has done a total number. Let's calculate this from this price level here to current price. Market has done about 382 pips. So now I will be expecting price to at least come tap into the 50% or 61% Fibonacci retracement for a buy opportunity. All right, so once I get price back to 61.8% of the Fibonacci, I'm going to be going in on buy on this. Now, moving on to the next one will be the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Interestingly, looking at the daily time frame, I saw a consolidation also of horizontal support and resistance. Horizontal zone of support and resistance, I beg your pardon. Now, market has done a total of 170 pips, and we saw a break out of structure. What I was expecting on the 4-hour should be a retracement back to the zone which was 0.92, but on Friday we saw a reversal back to the upside. So for this week, I'm going to be seeing a break, or I'm going to be expecting a break out of the previous high for a continuation to the upside. Now, on the long run, I'm going to be projecting a total number of 250 pips. All right, 250 pips. So this particular setup too will also be sent on our VIP signal group as well. All right, so this is what I have for this week, guys. So do not hesitate to go into investing in forex. It's a very, very important. The world is evolving, and a lot of people are making hands meet just trading currencies. So this is what I have for us this week, and I'll be seeing you on Friday. All right, guys.